Welcome to Kevin's Backyard. Today we're talking about diamonds. Now before you get excited, we're not talking about the ones you wear, we're talking about the ones that come off your grill, which to me are much more beautiful. Why are diamond marks important? Because they add to caramelization, which increases the flavor of what we're going to be grilling. And I know my great grillers out there know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you're looking to take your grilling skills to another level, start taking some notes. We're grilling steaks, and it's a good idea to take those out at least 10 to 15 minutes before we're going to grill them. This will help bring them up to temperature. It's also a great opportunity to preheat your grill. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. This is the most important step when we're grilling anything. It helps bring your grill up to temperature. And it should take about 10 to 15 minutes, and you're looking for temperatures about 500 degrees or higher. We're going to put a nice light coating of oil over our steaks. And the reason why we do this, because it helps with caramelization, it also helps the steaks naturally release from the cooking grates. And once we've done that, now we're going to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. Just make sure that you're seasoning that side evenly. Let's now do the other side. And again, a nice light coating of oil. This helps with the caramelization. It's going to help with the flavor of your steak. Salt and pepper for flavor. And just make sure that you're seasoning both sides evenly. Before we put our steaks on, wait a minute, we need to clean our cooking grates. And this is always good practice because it helps remove any of the excess debris we have from prior cookings. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't want my steaks to taste like the pineapple and banana that I grilled last night. Put your steaks on the grill. Get your lid on as quick as possible. We're going to be searing each side for 3 minutes, so set your timers. Now at the 6-minute mark, we're going to be using a meat thermometer to check for doneness. Now if you're noticing one side becoming a little overdone, you can always move that off to an indirect zone and finish up grilling. If you don't have the Gourmet Barbecue System sear grate, here's an easy way to get the same diamond marks. You're going to divide your cook time up into quarters. Think of it as a game. After each quarter, you're going to rotate your steak 90 degrees. And at halftime, you're going to flip it. Keep in mind, every steak has 2 sides, so present the best looking one. And do yourself a favor. Next time you're in the backyard, take your grilling skills to another level and create your own diamond marks.